The sun was shining brightly. It was a Saturday morning, and the Johnson family was ready for a big day. They had planned a trip to the park together. Everyone was excited. Mr. Johnson, the father, packed sandwiches, fruit, and water. "Let's not forget the picnic blanket," he said, smiling. Mrs. Johnson, the mother, brought sunscreen and a big hat. "We need to stay safe in the sun," she said. Anna, the eldest child, carried her favorite book. She loved reading under the trees. Her little brother Sam packed his soccer ball. "I want to play in the field," he said, jumping with excitement. Even Max, the family dog, wagged his tail and barked happily. He loved the park. The family got into their car. Mr. Johnson drove while Mrs. Johnson looked at the map. "The park is not far," she said. Anna and Sam played a game in the back seat. They counted red cars. "1, 2, 3, said Sam. "I see a fourth one." Anna laughed. Soon they arrived at the park. The green grass looked soft, and the trees were tall and shady. Birds were singing, and children were laughing. It was a perfect day. First, the Johnsons spread the picnic blanket under a big tree. Mrs. Johnson opened the basket. "Lunch is ready," she called. Everyone sat together. They ate sandwiches and shared fruit. "This is so yummy," said Anna, biting into an apple. "Can I have another sandwich?" asked Sam. "Of course," said Mr. Johnson. He handed Sam a sandwich and smiled. Max sat patiently, wagging his tail. Sam gave him a small piece of bread. "Here you go, Max," he said. After lunch, it was time for fun. Sam ran to the field with his soccer ball. Mr. Johnson played with him. "Kick the ball to me," said Mr. Johnson. Sam kicked the ball hard. "Great job, Sam," said his father. Anna found a quiet spot under a tree. She opened her book and began to read. The story was about a girl who went on an adventure. Anna loved reading because it made her feel like she was in another world. Mrs. Johnson took pictures with her camera. She wanted to remember this happy day. Max ran around the park chasing squirrels. He was very fast, but the squirrels were faster. "Come back, Max," called Mrs. Johnson, laughing. While playing, Sam saw something shiny in the grass. "What is this?" he asked. He picked it up and ran to his family. It was a small silver key. "I wonder what it opens," said Anna. "Maybe it's for treasure," said Sam, his eyes wide with excitement. The family decided to look around. They searched near trees and bushes. Then, near an old wooden bench, they found a small box. It was locked. "Let's try the key," said Sam. Anna turned the key and the box opened. Inside, they found a note. It said, "To whoever finds this, always remember to spend time with your family. That is the real treasure." "That's beautiful," said Mrs. Johnson. "It's true," said Mr. Johnson. "Family is the best treasure." As the sun began to set, the Johnsons packed their things. "What a wonderful day," said Mrs. Johnson. "I had so much fun," said Sam. "Me too," said Anna. "And we found a treasure." The family drove home, feeling happy and close. Max slept in the back seat, tired but content. That night, Anna and Sam told their grandparents about the day. "We have the best family," said Anna. "Yes, we do," said Sam. The Johnsons went to bed with big smiles on their faces. They knew they were lucky to have each other.